Transform your ideas into visually arresting posters, right from your computer, with Midjourney as your creative powerhouse. First, familiarize yourself with the Midjourney bot within Discord. This is where all the magic happens. To begin crafting your poster, type the / command followed by imagine. Then describe the core imagery you want. Think about style, mood, and key elements. For example, for a sci-fi event poster, you might type futuristic cityscape at night, neon lights, oppressive atmosphere, cinematic lighting. Ultra detailed. Midjourney will present for variations. Review them, and if one is close but not perfect, use the variation buttons to generate similar options. You can also upscale your favorite to a higher resolution. Refine your prompt to dial in the details. Want a specific artistic look? Add terms like Art Deco, vector art, or Klimt style. Need a particular viewpoint? Include low-angle shot or overhead view. Once you have a compelling visual, it's time to incorporate your text. While Midjourney excels at imagery, you'll likely integrate your title, date, and location in a separate design program. Focus on generating an image with space and a layout that accommodates typography effectively. Consider your poster's purpose. For dimensions, use the aspect ratio parameter for a standard movie poster. Try AR23 for a wider banner. Use AR169 and ensure your chosen aspect ratio fits the envisioned final product. With these steps, you're equipped to use Midjourney to generate impactful poster visuals, ready for your unique text and branding, creating designs that truly stand out.